Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X6 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Now let's tap on language and input and enter the language and region here. So as you can see, here we've got the list of currently applied languages. We've got only English, so simply tap on add language to open the list of available ones. And basically all we have to do right now is to simply find the one we would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Dutch, just tap on it. And your device will ask you if you really want to change the system language to Dutch, in my case, of course. So just tap on change. And as you can see, the Netherlands, so the Dutch language, will immediately appear at the top. So from this moment, the whole system will be displayed in the Dutch, in my case. If you've got 2 or 3 different languages added to this list, then you can also change between them. You don't have to enter this full list, just pick the language you'd like to use, so in my case English, tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position, as the default language is always on the first position. And as you can see, your device will immediately change the language. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon, remove languages, and mark those which you don't want to have here. Just tap on remove, confirm it, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So basically that's all. This is how to change system language in your Honor X6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.